Your business shouldn't be slowed by repetitive work, disconnected systems, and processes that depend on manual data entry. At Ideas Factory, we turn manual processes into intelligent workflows. We design AI automations that eliminate repetitive tasks, reduce errors, and give your team more time for high-value work. We connect your existing systems, allowing applications, data, and AI to work together as one intelligent ecosystem. We work across leading AI and cloud platforms to build solutions around your business, not force your business around a tool. Technology must solve the right problem. We identify real business value, build practical roadmaps, and ensure responsible AI adoption. Our machine mirror methodology understands how your business operates, then designs and builds the right automation for you. Whether you need to discover what to automate or develop a long-term strategy, Ideas Factory meets you where you are. Through AI Sherpa, we help your people understand and use AI confidently, turning technology into organizational capability. The goal isn't AI for the sake of AI. It's measurable improvement, less manual work, fewer errors, and faster processes. Real automation, real impact. We build with security, governance, and human oversight at the center of every solution. Show us the process slowing you down. We'll help you automate, connect, and drive business value. Book your AI opportunity call at ideasfactory.us.